listing, selling artwork. So right now I obviously have a sell button and I can click on here and you can sell it based on a fixed price and a timed auction. So what does that mean? A timed auction, essentially, just like it says, an actual auction. You can click here, you can specify when an auction should start, the date, which is obviously will be now, but in this case we'll focus on the actual expiry, when the auction will conclude, when it will be finished, and you can actually specify it, what time, which day, and play around with that if you'd like. But we're going to go for a fixed price. It's pretty similar. It looks slightly different, but it's not. So, but you have to specify obviously here a fixed price. In this case, I just pick a symbolic USDC. Remember, we're not paying and are being paid in Polygon, in Pulse from the Polygon blockchain. We're paid in USDC from the Circle platform. So the difference is here, you have to put a starting price, a floor price. So where do we start? In this case, we have a fixed price. Solidarity. So our platform obviously drives good. Art does good, which means you will give something to a foundation. You might see it listed in here. And remember, you can also propose foundations. You can propose charities. You can propose projects. In this case, we will pick Viger Solidarity Fund and say, hey, off my sale, if my asset is selling, 10% goes to the Viger Solidarity Fund. We're just leaving it, since it's a test, at 2%. And then we can create the listing. And also here you have to be sure you want to list on the marketplace. Approve, sign. Again, we need petrol or gas, in other words. And then sign that we are happy to do so. It takes a few seconds. And here we are. You can also, again, blockchain, fully transparent. You can have a look at the Polygon blockchain. You see again the creator. And now we can see I could cancel a listing if I wanted to. So, and then it would end up, maybe I listed an asset by mistake. Maybe I changed my mind and want to pull it back. Exactly this asset, you will see it now on the marketplace. That's also where a buyer will see it. The buyer, obviously I can't do that right now, but I can click on buy now. I can click on the asset. I can also buy an asset here and obviously sign all the transactions, and the purchase has been made. So in this case, it's Nebula Sky, and you have the price. You have some details, which in this case are those details. So you can expand. Solidarity, you can see 2% is going to the Viger Fund, sold by the artist, and the artist is in this case the actual creator and the seller, the license which travels with the asset, and the royalties which will go into the pocket of the artist. So now in the next section you will see the actual buying part from another user's perspective.